In this video, I'll be teaching you on how to track your Cash App card if you lost it. So first, you need to log in your Cash App, and once you're in, you will see your profile icon located at the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on that, you will see a bunch of options, but you are going to click on the support. Once you click on the support section, under the browse categories, you will see Cash App card. Once you click on that, you will see under contact us is chat. Once you click on the chat section, you'll be able to ask about your Cash App card that has been lost. Just click on the not about a transaction and you could actually talk to the Cash App support and ask if you could actually talk to a representative for it to able to assist your problem and help you track your lost Cash App card. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.